Toko finds a funny sound. In the giggly grove, Toko bouncing through the grove. Hi, Keedoos. It's me, Toko. I was just looking for a giggleberry snack, but I heard something strange. A funny boing boing hoo sound plays nearby. Toko asks, "Did you hear that? What was that sound?" Toko looks around dramatically. Toko says, Let's find out, Keedoos." Zappo, the Zoomy, on his fast roller skate feet appears. Zappo says, "Wee! I thought it was a bouncing banana." Toko replies, "Is that even a real thing, Zappo?" Zappo laughing says, "Let's bounce and count it anyway." They count how many times the sound repeats. 1, 2, 3. Nunu the Bubblebot joins them. Nunu says, "I detected vibration waves. Could be a musical giggleberry pod." Toko responds, "A musical fruit? Let's test it." Toko pokes a nearby giggleberry. It makes a soft bloop bloop. Toko says, not the same sound." Suddenly, Lala the laughing star floats down from the sky giggling. Lala laughs. That funny sound. It was me. I was singing my new silly song. Lala sings a short, playful tune. Boing, boing, woo! That's my sound for you. And Toko laughs. Toko says, "You sang it, Lala. That sound made us all curious." Lala answers, "And that's the magic of music. It makes us listen and wonder." All the characters dance and laugh together. Toko smiles to all his friends. Thanks for exploring with me, Keedoos. Keep asking questions and keep giggling. See you next time. The end. Keedoos.